your bowl and your images to doodle out a design so you know exactly what you're going to do. So draw a circle. And I'm going to use some cute little girl images, like the one we were just cutting out. So I'm just going to doodle, like, so this is going to be her here. And they don't have to look exactly, but you're mostly doing this for placement. So I'm going to have another little girl here, and there's going to be a pumpkin there. And I'm going to have another little girl here, and I'm going to have another little girl here. And I think I'm going to do some pumpkins along here, and some more pumpkins along here. And I think I'm actually going to put some pumpkins behind this girl. So we want to, just so you know exactly what you're doing, it'll help your process. And if you don't like what you've doodled, just get another piece of scrap paper, reuse that printer paper, and doodle out another design.